do I make money with my YouTube channel without monetization? Can I make money with my YouTube channel without AdSense, without monetization, and without reaching the 4,000 watch hours? I'm demotivated already. Well, you don't have to be, because you can definitely make money on YouTube without monetization and without AdSense. In this video, we are going to go over two solid ways of making money on YouTube without reaching that extreme threshold that YouTube has put forward of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, which is a little difficult to get to, but you don't have to be demotivated and you can start earning money from the very first day of making your YouTube video. So let's get started. I'm Chavi, the owner of Mrs. Taco Studio, a blog to find various work from home jobs and various ways to make money online. If you are interested in videos about earning money, then do not forget to hit the red icon below and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you are notified each and every time a new video is uploaded. And without wasting any more time, let's get to the point and let's start this video. So the first and the foremost way and the easiest way to monetize your YouTube channel without AdSense, without reaching the threshold, is affiliate marketing. For those of you who are not aware of what affiliate marketing is, it is basically a way to promote somebody else's product and services in return of a small commission or a fee at no extra cost to your buyer. So for example, if you are promoting an ebook or if you are promoting an Amazon product that is $100, then you may get $10, $20, $30 depending upon the commission rate that has been set up each time you sell that $100 product to somebody else. Now that $100 product is going to be $100 for your buyer, but you're going to get a commission for making that sale. It is that simple, it is that easy. Now where do you find affiliate links? There are various platforms where you can find affiliate links. I'm going to be linking to a few of them in the description box below, so go check it out. The first one is Share a Sale, the second one is ClickBank, then there is Flex Offers, there is Commission Junction, and there are so many more. I'm going to be linking the top 5 in the description box below, so go check it out. You have to sign up with them and apply to advertisers, and you can get access to those links and you can start promoting it in your videos. Now the kind of products that you are going to promote in your videos will depend on your niche. Now, so let's take an example. So if you are making videos about fitness, cooking, healthy living, then you can promote products like cookware, you can promote various apps and tech gadgets that relate to these topics. You can find the links on Amazon, you can find the links on all the platforms that are linked below in the description box. Now, if you're interested in making a YouTube channel for product reviews, you can easily become an affiliate for Amazon and promote those products. In fact, each and every item in your house, each and every item that you have ordered from Amazon has an affiliate program via Amazon. So there are a lot of things that you can promote if you are in the decor niche, or if you're talking about organization, there are multiple products on Amazon that you can promote. Now, if you are in the educational niche, there are courses, trainings. For example, Udemy has so many courses that you can promote if you have an educational channel. Similarly, if you have a channel where you talk about various ways of earning money online like I do, there are so many courses out there that you can promote. There are so many ebooks that you can promote. You have to make some effort to find out what all is out there for you to promote. The easiest way to do that is to make a list of people that are doing this exact same thing that you want to do and see what they are promoting. It's the simplest thing and the easiest and the fastest thing to do. So once you have the list, you can go ahead, apply to them, grab the links and start promoting it the same way that others are doing it, or come up with new ways, which is even better. Remember that when you are promoting a product, you need to be talking about it in the video very clearly, concisely. You need to tell your audience what are the benefits of buying that product, why they should buy that product, and what features or what benefits they can get if they buy the product. Do not forget to tell them that the links are in the description box below, because you want them to use your link while making the purchase if you want to get that commission. So it is extremely simple. All you need to do is to figure out the products that you can promote and start promoting them. Use the links in the description box. Tell your audience to visit the description box, grab those links and buy the product. You can also go back to your older YouTube videos and upgrade them, optimize them with these affiliate links so you make a purchase. Even though you do not have access to AdSense, you can always make money with affiliate marketing. The second way to make money on YouTube without monetization and without AdSense is to sell a digital product. Now, this digital product could be an ebook, a course, a printable, a workbook. It could be anything that you want to sell. It will depend on the skill and the knowledge that you want to share with your audience. Now, for example, if you have a craft video, if your channel is based on crafts, you can sell a printable, you can sell crafting guides, you can sell a lot of such things which relate to craft. If you have a cooking video, you can sell a recipe book. If you have a tech channel, if you're comfortable talking about tech, or if you have that knowledge, you can sell ebooks like how to start a YouTube channel, how to start a blog with WordPress, with HostGator, with Bigspoots, different hosting companies, because people find it a little difficult. So you can help them with that. If you have technical skills like taxation, or if you have some educational knowledge, then you can create an ebook based on that and sell it to your audience. There are so many different ways and so many different things that people are ready to buy right now. So all you need to do is to figure out what skills and what knowledge you have and what you can create and sell it to your audience. While it may sound like a daunting task to create a course or an ebook or a printable, it is extremely easy. All you have to do is to go to canva.com. It is a free app to design various things. You can find the link in the description box below. Grab that link, sign up with Canva and create your own products and start selling it on your YouTube video. Now remember, there are two ways to promote your products on YouTube videos. The first one is to talk about it each and every time you're talking about something that your ebook can help with. For example, if you talk about how to start a blog on WordPress in your ebook, every time you're talking about earning money with blogging, you can always refer to that ebook and tell your audience how they can grab the ebook, why they should grab the ebook, what benefits that they have, and how easy it will become if they grab your guide. The second way is to always link your products in the description box below. Even if you're not talking about it, link it in the description box below. There are so many bloggers who do that. If not all your audience, there is a small percentage of your audience that will go into the description box and check out the links, and there is a possibility that they will buy your product. So two ways to promote your digital product. You can talk about it in your video, guide your audience to click the link in the description box below and buy that product from you. And the second way is to always mention it in your description box as something that they can buy and can help them with whatever it is that you're helping them with, so you can increase your sales. Now, of course, for affiliate marketing and for digital products to work, you need to have that kind of viewership. You need to have that kind of audience on your channel. So if you do not know how to promote your YouTube channel, then let me give you some quick tips. The first one is to learn how to optimize your channel and how to do YouTube search engine optimization. It is a combination of how you use your words, what kind of topics you create your videos on, and what kind of tags you use. Putting all of it together, YouTube algorithm works in a way where it ranks a video which is much more optimized than others. And once your videos start ranking, there is no way somebody can stop you from getting that viewership, because people do type in certain keywords, and if you're ranking for it, you will automatically get subscribers and views. The second way to promote your YouTube channel is on Pinterest. So all you have to do is to start a business account and create pins on Canva and start promoting your YouTube channel. You can easily drive back traffic from Pinterest, which subscribes to your channel as well as buys from your channel. The third one is to promote it on Facebook. So learn YouTube SEO optimization, create a Pinterest account and start promoting it using pins, design those pins in Canva. And the third one is to start your own Facebook group or join other Facebook group where people need help with the kind of videos that you're making. I am not talking about sub for sub, because that's the worst way of getting subscribers and watch time. You can even get penalized with YouTube, so do not do that. This is it for today. These are the two ways you can start monetizing your channel even without AdSense, even without reaching the threshold of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. You can learn affiliate marketing and you can start creating ebooks. I'm going to link to a few resources in the description box below, which can help you learn how to do those things. So do check it out. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the red icon below, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends and family, hit the bell icon and give us a thumbs up. So I'll see you next week. If there is something on your mind, if there is something you want me to cover in these videos, if you want help with any way to make money online, do not forget to comment below, let me know. I would be more than happy to create a video for you. Thank you.